free. We've embraced from deep.
Tayo.
We've embraced from deep.
From the top and
Hear our vow of
louder. Sa taas.
loyalty. Heart and soul we pledge to thee. With the virtues great and free, we've embraced from thee.
stop. We proceed to the refrain. Dalawang beses natin kakantahin. Yung first will be, yung in our hearts, thy name will be, pababa yun. The repetition, yung second na pagkanta natin, tataas yun. Now, tataas yun, medyo mataas yun. Kailangan natin modulate lang ang voice natin, ang voice. Hindi pwedeng minamadali, hindi pwedeng pinapwersa. Pipiyok tayo. And remember, we're doing this seriously. Okay. Hindi tayo lalabas dito na hindi natin alam yun. Okay? So do it properly. Ate.
When our battles won, you see.
Tayo naman.
When our battles won, you see. Banners high will wave for thee.
Tayo naman.
Banners high will wave for thee. In our hearts, thy name will be.
Tayo.
In our hearts, thy name will be. Holy angel dear.
And
Holy angel dear.
balikan natin from the top yun, tapos mataas yung will be. Okay.
When our battles won,
Huwag
you
mo nang sumabay.
see.
Tayo and
When our battles
go.
won, you see.
Ate.
Banners high will wave for thee.
Kayo naman.
Banners high will wave for thee.
Okay, modulate lang.
Thy
Huwag mo
name
lumuhin.
will be.
Okay, mataas yun ha. Tayo naman. And
In our hearts, thy name will be.
one more time.
Gagawin.
Hanggat may naglulungkot dyan, hindi tayo matatapos. 1,